Hey everyone, I'm back, and I just want to come on and tell you about this hair because I just want to give my opinion about this hair and how I felt about the hair, because it seems to be a lot of tingling going on. As I was applying the wefts onto my dome cap, it kept tingling, and I don't know. It's the texture, or I don't know why, but I understand it's natural Yaki, and I love the texture. It's as you can see, it's fun to play in. Excuse my light, I'm using my living room light, so don't judge me. Yes, it's dark outside. It gets dark early, but all I can say, this hair is really tingling and get knots. But you able to get the knots out, but it's like not taking them. But that hair does shed, which is always, because it's synthetic hair. I bought this hair from Sam's Beauty, and I can't think of what I paid for it, but I let you know in the description box how much I paid for it, because I'm thinking 17. I can't remember on the top of my head how much I paid for it, but as you can see, I did the middle part, and I can transfer it to a side part. Let me just show you a little bit. I think I like as a side part, but it looked good both ways. Just let me know in the comment section what part you like the most, the side part or the middle part. I'm just gonna put this back in the middle because I'm digging it the middle part way for right now. But yes, it's on the dome cap. I can do it however I want, from the side, the middle, and whatever. So this is how I feel about this hair. I give it an 8 from the scale 1 to 10 because it looked pretty nice. I really love it. But although that is hair, you get what you buy. That from Sam's Beauty, and I don't know if it curls. I don't know, but I'm not attempting to curl it right now because I want it straight. I'm so used to curly hair, but I'm just gonna wait straight hair for now through the holidays. And yeah, so I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving and have a safe holiday, because the holidays can get crazy. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I post. And if you enjoy my content, subscribe, and let's help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and make sure I gain my watch time, because watch time is important. So I see y'all guys in the next one. Bye. The hair I will be using is the Outre Batik Rouge synthetic natural Yaki hair, and this come in 18, 20, 22, 24 inches and a 4-inch deep lace parting closure. This is the lace closure, and it's real nice and soft. And this is what the concealer effect lace closure, and I really like this. So I don't necessarily use the concealer effect. I just cut it out and use my own bronzing powder for this. And also it looks like the weft is very thin as always. Nothing changes, but still I'll work with it. You know me, I'll work with it. You would need a hot glue gun. Yes, I'm using a hot glue gun. Careful what you're using. And you would need also some Gorilla hot glue sticks that's 5 times stronger. I prefer to use this, but because it lasts longer on the dome cap. As you can see, I already did the 24-inch wefts, already start hot gluing it down. So you're gonna see me doing this process with the 24, 22, 20, and some to 18. Now I already applied the 22-inch webs. I'm still gluing it down, hot gluing it down. As I'm hot gluing it down, I'm using the back of my comb to press against the hot glue because it's very hot and I don't want to burn my fingers and stuff like that. So yeah, basically that's it. Now as I'm doing this, I want my wefts to be close, my hair to be full as I like it, so it be won't no gaps, no little spaces or nothing like that. So that's why I'm hot gluing it close together. You see I got the 20-inch. I'm working on that, so I'm gonna just start gluing that down and keep the process moving and going. Oh, I forgot to mention to y'all, I did my closure off camera. I'm so sorry that if I didn't mention that in the beginning. I'm so sorry, but I glued my closure off camera. Now I'm starting with the 18-inch, and this is the last to go. So I didn't use all the 18, but I used half of it, and I'm just finishing up and closing it up to the end. This is me showing how long the hair is, the closure. I'm sorry my camera is in and out of focus, but that's how long it is. See what I mean? It's like very tangly. It come to my butt. Y'all can't see it, but it's very long. Me being a model like I am, like I'm a model, but this is a second style as the side part I was showing you all. But yeah, this hair is, I love it, but it's too much tangly. You see how I flip the hair and whip it back in shape and stuff like that? It's still tangly, but oh well, I'm gonna get used to it. I'm gonna like love this hair to the end. Okay, first of all, let me give y'all my thoughts about this hair. The hair is good, the hair is okay, I love the hair, but it just tangled too bad. It just tangled too bad for me, and I don't like tangled hair. I don't like tangled hair. I don't like hair that sheds. The hair is sheds, but it sheds too much. This hair that I ordered from the Masquerade is okay. The texture is nice, naturally Yaki, straight. I love it. The longness to my butt, I love it, but it just tangled too bad. I give this like a 8 on the scale from 1 to 10 because I got to wear it for a few days. I just tried it on today, and let me just wear it through Thanksgiving, through the holidays, and see how it does. And I'm gonna let y'all know that it does wear great or it doesn't. So